Picture a warm bakery in Paris, the smell of fresh pastries filling the air. People stand in line, waiting with anticipation. The moment they take a bite of a croissant, their eyes widen with delight. But what is the secret that makes this flaky pastry so special? The origins of the croissant. The croissant, with its golden layers and crisp edges, has a long history. It is said to have roots in Austria. In the 17th century, when the Ottoman Empire tried to invade Vienna, bakers made a crescent-shaped bread to celebrate the city's victory. This bread, called Kipferl, is the ancestor of the croissant we know today. Over time, when the recipe made its way to France, it transformed. French bakers added butter and fine flour, developing the flaky layers we admire. Thus, the croissant became a symbol of French culinary artistry. But why is it shaped like a crescent? This shape connects to many cultures, symbolizing new beginnings. Every time you enjoy a croissant, you taste a piece of history. The science of flakiness. What makes a croissant so flaky? The answer lies in the dough and the butter. Croissant dough is a type of pastry called laminated dough. This means that layers of dough and butter are folded together multiple times. Each fold creates thin layers. When you bake the croissant, steam forms between these layers, causing them to puff up. This is how you get that delicious flakiness. It is a process of art and science combined. But here is a surprising fact. The best croissants have at least 27 layers. Most people think a flaky croissant can be achieved with just a few folds, but true mastery requires patience and precision. Cultural significance of croissant. Croissants are more than just food. They carry a rich cultural significance. In France, they represent the art of breakfast. The French often enjoy a warm croissant with coffee, starting their day with pleasure. Enjoying a croissant is about savoring the moment. Many people recall their childhood memories of going to a bakery with their families. The act of sharing a croissant brings warmth and joy. Around the world, croissants have become popular. You can find cafes serving croissants in many countries. Despite these variations, the love for the classic French recipe remains strong. The perfect croissant experience. What makes the perfect croissant? It should be golden brown, crisp on the outside, and soft on the inside. When you bite into it, you should hear a satisfying crunch. This delightful sound is the sound of quality. Personal preferences also shape the croissant experience. Some like plain croissants, while others enjoy them with chocolate or almond fillings. Each choice offers a different taste adventure. The best time to enjoy a croissant is when it is freshly baked. Warm from the oven, it offers the best flavors and aromas. Pair it with a hot drink, and you have a perfect morning. A culinary adventure. Cooking croissants at home can be a fun adventure. Many people are scared to try making them because they seem complicated. However, with practice, anyone can learn to make croissants. The key is taking your time. It is important to let the dough rest and to keep everything cold. This way, the butter does not melt too quickly. The patience pays off with delicious results. Many people find joy in sharing their homemade croissants with friends and family. Baking can be a wonderful way to connect with loved ones, creating special memories in the kitchen. Sharing stories through croissants. Every croissant has a story. From the baker who creates it to the person who enjoys it, each bite connects us. People often share special moments over a croissant. Some families have their favorite bakeries. These places become more than just shops. They are part of the community. Gathering there often creates a warm and friendly atmosphere. Sharing stories about croissants and their origins can also unite cultures. Through food, we discover the histories and traditions of others. This makes a croissant not just a pastry, but a bridge between people. Why do you love croissants? Think about your favorite croissant experience. Was it at a family breakfast or a special cafe? Croissants can make an ordinary moment feel special. As you explore the variety of croissants, you create personal connections. Croissants hold memories, flavors, and emotions in each layer. What are your favorite ways to enjoy a croissant? Share your experiences with the people around you. Let's celebrate the croissant together.